Now we will discuss the examples with possibility cases, and these questions are taken from IBPS PO Mains 2016. The statements are: some trees are plants, all trees are houses, no plant is pot, and all tools are pots. And the given conclusions are: some plants or tools is a possibility, all trees or tools is a possibility, no plant is house, and all plants or houses is a possibility. Now let us check every conclusion, each and every conclusion one by one. The first conclusion is some plants or tools is a possibility. We'll have to take those statements with the subject plants and tools in the conclusion. The third and fourth statement contain plants and tools. No plant is pot and all tools are pots. We have plant and tools in these two statements, and we see that the common terms are not aligned properly. We also know that the priority for alignment is: first we'll have to realign the I statement, and then the E statement, and then only the A statement. We have an E statement and A statement. Now let us realign the E statement. Even now we see that the common terms are not aligned properly, so we'll have to do reordering also. Now the common terms are aligned, and on combining an A and E statement you get E as a conclusion, that is we have a definite conclusion: no tool is plant. And let us check that with some plants or tools. For that, let us draw all the possible diagrams for no tool is plant. There is only one possible diagram for no tool is plant. From the diagram we can see that some plants or tools is not true, and hence some plants or tools is a possibility is a false conclusion. Now let us check the second conclusion. The second conclusion is all trees or tools is a possibility. But before proceeding to prove whether this is true or false, if we look at the answer option, we see that the second conclusion is not at all mentioned in anywhere in the answer option. So we can simply eliminate the second conclusion. We are not going to waste our time proving whether it is true or false. Let us go to the third conclusion, which is no plant is house. The statements concerning these two, subject and predicate, are the first and second statements, that is, some trees are plants and all trees are houses. Here also we see that the common terms are not aligned properly. This is an I statement and this is an A statement, and we will be realigning the I statement. When you combine an I and A statement, we get another I statement, and that will be some plants are houses, which is a definite conclusion, and the conclusion given here is no plant is house, and hence this conclusion is false. Now let us consider the fourth conclusion, which says all plants are house is a possibility. For this also, these concerning statements are the first and second statement. Some trees are plants and all trees are houses. We have realigned, as it is not, as the common term is not aligned properly, we have realigned it, and we have got a definite conclusion, some plants are houses. And what is the conclusion given? All plants are house is a possibility. Now we are going to draw all possible diagrams for this conclusion, some plants are houses. These are the three possible diagrams for some plants or houses. If we are going to check the conclusions given, all plants are house, then it is not true here. And similarly, it is not true in the second diagram. We can see that in the third diagram, all plants are house is true. And hence, the conclusion all plants are house is a possibility is true. And so we find that only answer option C is true because only 4 follows. And let us check the answer option. Yes, the answer option is C, only 4 follows. And let us now check the working. Yes, conclusion 1 is not true. And as said earlier, we need not check the conclusion 2 at all because it does not appear in the answer option. And the third conclusion is also not true. And the fourth conclusion has to be, yes, it is proved to be true. And the answer option is C, that is only 4 follows. And let us now go to the next question.